So you want to make bad boy props like this? Stick around, I'll show you how. Easy now, Craft fam. It's your boy Master G. You know what it is already. It's all about making these bad boy props. Right. So 2 months ago, I stuck a stick and a bit of recycled plastic together, and I called it an Ork chopper. Now I'm making fully automated, LED powered Ork Power fists, and I think it's bad boy. So basically, it's the same process that I've done with the rest of my things. Recycle plastic, build up the sort of design that you want, make sure that you get some sort of rough idea of the things that you'd like to construct. After that, then you need to go into the base components of it. So with this, there was the articulation in the fingers. What I've done, if you watch on my shorts, you can see I have put a cable tie from the end to a little ring, and when you pull the ring, it pulls the cable tie and it moves the fingers. So once I've got the base movements sorted, I then set about making the whole glove. I've made it out of cardboard to make a template and make sure that I can get the articulation right. Once I've got the articulation right and I've made sure that everything is working as I want it to be, that's when I set about making it in the plastic pieces. So same thing again, made the base of the hand and then individual fingers. I've then put the cable ties through tubes and then connected them to the palm of the hand. After that, it's a case of building up your materials so that then you've got enough beef on the fingers and the hands. Once you've got the main build done, then it's making sure that you've got your details. So my customer had requested that there was LEDs. He specifically wanted them in the Promethean tube. So what we've done is I have routed a wire through into here, and it's operated by a battery pack. So because it's going to be posted, we had the problem of batteries, so I've made a compartment here that we can access the batteries in. You can replace them, put them in and out when you need to post them. So this has been the largest build that I've done so far, and a lot of people have basically said that they don't understand how it works and that they'd never be able to do it. I started this maybe a week ago, 4 or 5 days ago, and I didn't really have an idea of how to do it. But what you do is you go through your basic planning and how certain things can be implemented for what it is that you would like to do. So we needed articulation on the fingers, and then I was obviously researching how I can then make articulation, and from that it's then just build up step by step until you have your desired results. Everyone that says that they can't do it, I just want you to know that I only did this 2 months ago, and like I said, it was a stick and a piece of plastic, and from then I've progressed up and just challenged myself. So don't think that you can't do it. By all means, just have a bash and see how you get on. If you make a mistake, then try again. It's no big deal. I hope this video has helped you, and I just want to say thank you very much to all the support. I've just got over 300 subscribers, so thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.